Meaning of hawk-eyed.
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 Hawk-eyed. Hawk-eyed means having very sharp and keen vision, like that of a hawk or eagle. It refers to someone who is able to see things clearly and in great detail, even from a distance. This term is often used to describe people with exceptional eyesight or those who are highly observant and attentive. Hawk-eyed individuals have the ability to notice even the slightest details that might go unnoticed by others. They are often regarded as keen and perceptive and are valued for their attention to detail and accuracy.